So this is how it looks right now. I'll try to vacuum and see if I can get some stuff out of here. So now I have vacuumed the engine compartment. It's a lot better, but I will have to scrub some more. I had to make some room in the car because I couldn't get all the space here. Now I remove this. I will actually make a new one because it's not in that great shape. Or I might keep it, or I do something else. But a lot of more room. Here I see they have removed this one over here. Okay, so the clean continues. So it's a lot cleaner now in the engine apartment bay, I don't know. Still some rust, but I might paint it or not. But it's a lot cleaner inside here, and this side, and underneath was a lot of debris. I do have a bigger problem with the engine is cranking over, or it's not cranking, but it's moving, but the clutch is stuck completely. So I'm not sure if I have to remove the gearbox or if I just can knock it loose. Because the slave cylinder is totally stuck. Could be that was the problem. I removed this one, and I might toss it away because it's pretty nasty. Maybe I remove those two and build something of my own. Well, engine is cleaner. Mission completed.